All right, folks, so Sudeana Stewart, founder of Sudeana's Essentials, joins us this morning to showcase her hair care and beard products and share expert tips to help Garth and I deal with things. Morning, welcome.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
All the very, very best for the year 2025. When you start the business?
I started Sudeana's Essentials out of boredom one summer, actually. So I just randomly decided that I wanted to start a business. I didn't know what type of business I wanted to start. However, I did some brainstorming and a bit of research, and I realized that there's a lot of businesses catering to women, but not many catering to men. So I decided I wanted to do something for men. Hence, I did a little bit more research and found beard products online. I learned how to make them, and then I immediately decided that's what I'm going to do.
Okay, how long ago was this?
This was in summer of 2020.
Okay, so you make the stuff yourself?
Yes, I make them.
Wow, not easy. Because you kind of teach yourself.
Yes, I taught myself how to make them.
Wow, but obviously they work.
Yes, they do work.
So what have you done? It's just hair and beard?
Yes, it's hair and beard. So as said previously, I wanted to do a business for men strictly. However, I did a big chop myself, so I transitioned from processed hair to natural hair in that same year, and persons saw my hair growth and they were like, no man, oh, you get your hair so tall so quick, and I've been growing my hair from before you even cut your hair, and my hair is still at the same length. So whatever it is that you're using, you need to sell it. So that's how I added the hair growth oil and butter to my business. So
are you suggesting that what you have done for the men can be used in women's hair also, or no?
It can be, but the products were made for men, but I made different products. I make different products for women.
Okay, so you also have products for women?
Yes. And so the hair growth, butter and oil can be used on anyone, male and female.
Okay. So
but the beard products are for men strictly.
So the smaller one I suspect here that we're looking at would be for the beard, and this would be for the hair.
Yes.
What's in the beard one? What's in there?
The beard oil is a mixture of carrier oil and essential oil, while the hair growth oil is a mixture of carrier oil and herbs, some powders, natural powders that work wonders for your hair.
Yep. When you say works wonders, what? It helps it grow?
It helps it to grow, yeah. Yes. It helps your hair to become stronger, thicker, easier to comb out, all of that.
Okay. Does it have a strong scent?
It does not.
It don't have a scent at all?
It does not. It doesn't have, it has a light scent, a very light scent. However, the premium beard oil and the premium beard balm, they are peppermint scented. Peppermint scented?
Yes. But is it very strong? I ask that because I have an issue with if I'm smelling something, I can't get close to it. So that's the reason I ask.
Okay, so the peppermint oil is an essential oil, so it's very therapeutic.
And this would be this one?
Yes, you can open it and smell it.
So all of the beard oils have peppermint in there?
Yes, and the beard balm.
And they're all the same thing?
Yes.
You don't have different? It's not very strong. And you actually can smell the peppermint.
Yes.
So I suspect if you wear cologne too, you probably won't smell this. So what is this, a daily thing? Whatever do you just put in your hand and
you can use it daily.
No, don't tell me if I can use it daily. Am I supposed to use it daily?
Yes, you can. You are supposed to use it daily.
And the same thing with the hair?
No, for the hair, you can use it every other day because with the hair growth oil, when you put a lot of oil on your scalp, if you do that every single day, it's just going to build on top of itself, and you don't want that because that can then attract dirt and, stuff into your hair. So then when you wash your hair, you wouldn't get rid of that? Yes, but that's the reason why you would use it every other day instead of every day. Yeah. So it's less build-up. Yeah, there are products for people who want them hair to grow, and there are products for people who have this kind of hair and want something else. But me have a little spot right here. So I'm being very serious here. That wouldn't bring hair there. It would, as long as it is not a medical condition. Then how I formulated this oil, it will definitely help, especially for persons who have traction alopecia. And traction alopecia is when somebody when you cane your hair and it cane too tight. But isn't that a medical condition? No, traction alopecia is not. It's not. No, so it's for example, if you braid your hair and you braid it too tight, at the point where like it's dragging on your root, that's what causes traction alopecia. All right, so
if I decide to use it in my little bald spot.
Yes, it will help. It's formulated
By
to help
tomorrow
with that.
morning, my hair look like your one.
Not by tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow
but
evening.
Eventually.
Well, and eventually, all 4 years time, I'm still around. Eh? But you have seen it work.
Yes.
So you say every other day, does it take the place of, people put hair oil and stuff? I do. Does it take the place of
Yes,
that?
it does.
So I don't need, if I'm using this, I don't need to put hair oil in my hair.
No, this is the hair oil. So this is called the Protective Styles Hair Growth Oil. So you would use this oil on your scalp.
I can't open
So
this.
for example, yeah, man.
So
for example, if your hair is in cornrows or braids, any protective styles, you would just twist the top of the cap and put it on your scalp and use your fingertips to massage it in. This, on the other hand, the hair growth and length retention butter, this is to be used on the body of your hair. So what this does, okay, so a lot of people, they think that their hair is not growing. But the thing is, your hair is growing. What's happening is that they have a length retention problem, meaning their hair is falling off from the ends more than how it is growing from the root, so they would never see length. So this is the product that solves that issue. It prevents your hair from breaking off at the ends.
But you know what you're talking about, man. That was excellent. Question now. So I use this and that, or I use this
Yes, so
or
this would be for your scalp,
Yeah.
and this would be on the body of your hair.
So I use this every day?
Not necessarily. So this, you can use this once per hairstyle. So if you're going to twist your
Once per hairstyle?
Yes. For example, if you're twisting your hair, like your whole head of hair, you would apply this to the body of your hair and use it as like a styling cream, basically.
Yeah, but like if I'm just putting it in my hair, I'm not styling nothing, so I use it. You only say once per hairstyle, what that mean?
You can use it, or for example, my hair is in an afro right now, so I can just get up daily. If I want to wear my hair in an afro for the whole week, spray some water in my hair, put a bit of this in my hand, rub it up, and apply it every day. That could work as well, but if you're styling your hair, you can use it as like a styling cream.
So this is not like I asked you earlier, that like hair oil?
No, this is the oil. That one does not go on your scalp because it has an ingredient in it called shebe powder. Shebe powder is a powder that is used widely in Africa. That is what they use, like they would braid their hair in Africa, apply the powder to it, leave it on for some time, and then rinse it out.
All right.
That helps with length retention.
All right, recap now. So, this and this is the same thing?
No.
So
this is a beard balm. So this is what you use to tame your beard.
To tame a beard?
Yeah, so for example, if your beard is frizzy, you can apply this to it. It helps to moisturize your beard as well. Makes it softer, easier to comb out.
All right. What I can use every day?
You can use the beard oil every day.
Every day, but
Yes.
not this.
You can also use it every day. You can use both of them at the same time, actually.
So are you one or the other, or the two of them?
It depends on you. So you can use one or the other, or you can use both of them. So the beard oil would more focus on the skin beneath the beard,
Right.
and the balm would focus on the hair.
Sudeana, look at me. Tell me what I must do. Do I use this every day, that every day, two of them together every day? Don't tell me say
Both
I
of
can't.
them.
Both of them, every day?
Yes.
All right, so these two, I can use every day?
Every day.
Which one I put on first?
The oil.
Put on this first,
Yes.
then I put on that?
Yes, so
every
the
day.
oil, yes, so you put the oil, you focus the oil on your skin beneath the beard, use your fingertips to massage it in circular motions. What that does is helps to stimulate
Okay, and this
growth.
is just like a little...
And then the balm is what you're going to use to tame the beard.
Okay.
It's gonna make it look shinier, softer, easier to comb
Okay,
out.
all right, so this every day, this first, this second.
Yes.
What about this fella? Not every day?
It doesn't have to be used every day.
No, don't tell me it doesn't have to. How often I must use it?
You can use it once per hairstyle, or if your hair is in an afro, you can use it every day.
My hair. Oh,
You can use it in your hair every day.
All right, so this can use every day too. This
And
fella.
this is every other day. Because
Every
this
other
is-
day.
Yes, you don't want the product build up on your scalp.
Okay. How often I must wash my hair? Somebody told me every other day I should wash my hair.
No.
No?
You can wash your hair once a week or once every 2 weeks, but not every day.
No,
you don't need
somebody-
to wash your hair every day or every
No, they
other
told me
day.
every other day.
No.
So you say don't wash it once a week?
You can
But
wash
like
it.
I
No, you
coach, you
can
know,
wash
so-
it once a week or once every 2 weeks.
I coach, so I sweat and stuff like that. So
As long as you're putting in back the moisture, then that's fine.
okay, all right. Final question now, quickly. This was a set right here.
Yes, this is the kit. So you get the wooden beard brush, a wooden comb, and a scissors to help groom your beard at home. This is just the set with both beard products.
How much you sell that for?
This one is for $6.5. This one is for $4.5.
All right. And individually you sell them for what?
Individually, you can get each hair growth product for $4,000. The beard oil would be for $2,300 and the beard balm $3,000.
How are you found?
I can be found on Instagram and TikTok at sudeanas.essentials.
I'm glad you didn't nervous. Shot plain Daisy. All right, that was Sudeana Stewart, the founder of Sudeana's Essentials. That's it for Life and Style. So come.